video, I'm sharing with you our deck renovation using the Trex Composite decking. This is how our old deck looked like. It was really awful. It was due to be replaced years ago, but I never got the chance. My husband was sick, was not really taken care of. Now was stained or painted as often as I would like it to be, but it was due to be changed and to be replaced. So finally, the right timing, the right person, everything aligned, so we finally have it done. This deck was built in 1984. Our house was built in 1983. The size of the deck is 16 by 16 feet, and the original is made of wood, obviously, and now we're replacing it using the composite decking, and the brand we're using is Trex. We bought all our materials from Lowe's. There was a $25 delivery fee, and it was delivered very well, no complaints at all. Composite decking is more expensive than wood, but I went for it because of its low maintenance concept. Living alone, and I'm not getting any younger, anything with minimal upkeep is a must. Other advantages of using composite decking besides the minimal maintenance is superior durability, resist fading, scratching, and mold, and will not rot, warp, crack, or splinter. Also, it's environmentally friendly and sustainability. It will last about 25 to 30 years and has strong warranties. Most of this composite decking has the 25 to 50 years warranty. And no splinters. I like that because I love walking barefoot, so it is a joy not to worry about splinters. For the materials, I spent $2,000, and I only replaced the flooring, the top of the railings, and also the stairs and the steps, and also we added 2 springers to support the stairs. So everything else stayed, the railings, the spindles, and then the support braces or the wood, including the ones and the stairs. And by this video you can tell that we're keeping the foundation, the wood support, the braces for the stairs, as well as the spindles, because they still look good. So we're just replacing this flooring and the stairs, and then we're adding springers to support the stairs and also the top of the spindles. So here we go, the flooring is done. It really looks good. What a huge difference from the first part of the video where I'm showing you my old wooden deck. It's really bad. And I love the color. I chose clamshell, and it's one advantages of using composite decking because there are a lot of color choices. And this one I love because, first of all, they have the stock in the Lowe's. I don't have to wait 3 to 6 months. They have enough of this color, and I love the color. And then we show the color to the paint department of Lowe's, and they match the paint so that we can paint the whole deck with the same color as the decking, the composite decking. So now Luis, who is my friend's husband, who's working on, doing on our deck, he is making the springers now to support our stairs. Here we go, there are the 2 springers, making sure they have enough support for the new composite deck boards for the stairs. A couple of challenges that Luis encountered when replacing a deck from old wooden deck, and not removing the whole structure. It's like some of the wood or the braces are not strong anymore, so you have to replace that, and then making sure that everything is kind of straight and all of the support area. So he added a few wooden support in some of the areas on the flooring, and also definitely on the stairs, to make sure it's secure. And he did a great job trying to make sure that the whole deck is secure and safe for everyone. He added this little post here on the stairs area for support, and then he also added one of the railings on top of the deck. He also added a few moldings for the post, that when you remove the old wooden deck that's showing. So he added some moldings right there, and then also there were a couple of spindles that broke, and he replaced it too. And he painted all of the wood and areas that were not replaced. He also added some moldings around the post right there, because there were some areas that were exposed, so he added moldings on those posts. And then I love that he had the framing at the end around the main deck, just for aesthetic right there, aesthetic value. And it just looks nice right here. There's the framing, and this is where the stairs now. Overall, pretty great job, despite some challenges, but it wasn't too bad. So here is our new composite deck. I love it. Adding a deck can truly make your outdoor living space even larger. An extension of your home. It provides an area for grilling, some plants, and other things. Like I put a canopy here that used to be in your yard, and also I can sit here and look out my garden. It's my favorite thing to do. Now it's an ideal alternative place for cooking, eating, and relaxing, and with proper furniture and equipment, I can turn my deck into a charming home extension, perfect for warmer days and for entertaining and having a great time with family and friends. Then that's what it is all about. Your home, inside the home or outdoors, it's an extension to and a reason to have amazing time with your family and friends, to have some memories to cherish. Thank you, Luis and Carla, for helping me with my composite decking project. I will put a link down below for their company for reference if you need to call them or need them for their services. Thanks for watching. Enjoy what's left of summer, and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.